I just got bumped. There we go. Third fish of the day. This one's pulling me hard. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the lake. It's a beautiful day out. It's currently 73 degrees. Nothing like the past videos. The past videos has been freezing cold, like 50 degrees, 30 degrees. The weather has finally warmed up. Today's probably the warmest day out of all the days. It's a little windy, but I think we can handle it. Today I'm going to be doing a roulette challenge. We'll see how that goes. I have a few baits on the roulette. I'll show y'all when I get out on the water. But that being said, hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, I've made it out on the water and it's not that windy. Actually, it's just really wavy, which I can deal with. It's not that windy. The weather is amazing. It's like 74 degrees right now. The sun is beating down on the water. These fish should be out and feeding right now, so I'm just gonna fish the way I usually do in the summer. It's not summer, but it certainly feels like summer, so we'll see if we can figure out these fish. I'm gonna go ahead and spin this roulette wheel. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably like the 5th time me trying to do this challenge because I haven't been able to catch fish. It's been really cold. The weather hasn't been great. I'm gonna go ahead and spin the wheel. Our options are Cincos, Bandito Bug, Slim Shake, Kraken Craw, and Trench Hog. So spin the wheel. This is my 5th time doing it. See what I get. See if the camera picks that up. And we got the Slim Shake. Not bad. I'll take it. I was hoping for like a Kraken Crawl because that's what I've been slaying them on. That's what I figured them out on. We'll see how it turns out. I have a few Slim Shakes. I have a black and blue Slim Shake, and that's what I'm going to be using. I only have one left and the others are natural color. The water's pretty clear, so that shouldn't be a problem. But less talking, more fishing. Today's gonna be a pretty good day. I hope so. I'm gonna go ahead and rig up and see if we can land some fish. Let's get to it. Is that a park ranger? I've never been stopped by a park ranger like while out on the water. It looks like a park ranger. This is gonna be interesting. How's it going, sir? Nah, I just got out here, man. Yeah. What's up?
Okay, so the issue is you don't have a life jacket, okay? Okay. Anytime you're on any kind of vessel, if it's made to be rowed, wind blown, motorboat, anything, you gotta have enough life jackets for however many people are in the boat. Okay. Okay. As long as it's in the vessel, you don't have to wear it. Okay. All right. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So I kind of carry this floatable thing down here. Yeah, that's just a throwable device. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I have. It's good to have, but it doesn't take the place of a wearable life jacket. Yeah. Is this a good address for you? They lent me a life jacket for the rest of the day, so I guess that was nice of them. I'm gonna keep fishing. I don't know. I'm kind of bummed out, but it is what it is. See if we can catch some fish. Have the rest of the day to fish, so I'm not gonna let that bum me out too much. Gonna keep fishing, try and land a bass for y'all. We'll see what happens. That's a first for me, honestly. That was a bite. Got one. First fish of the day. Did not take that long. On the Slim Shake. Get in here, buddy. Heck yeah. I knew this weather was gonna bring them out. One fish in the yak. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. First fish of the day right there. That did not take too long. I'm literally on the first little area that I'm fishing. I haven't been fishing for long. First little fish. All right, that kind of made up for it. Gonna go ahead and let this fish go. Back in the water he goes. First fish of the day. I'll take him. That did not take too long. Today might just be a good day. Other than the fact that I got a citation, it might just be a good day. Right there. There's some good structure right there. Yep, I landed right in that branch. This huge piece of cover there. Could be a fish. Chasing it up right now. I got one. Second fish of the day right there. As I was saying, that's a nice one. Get over here, buddy. Gotta love it. I gotta love it. That is a nice fish right there. Get in the net. There we go. Second fish of the day. Look at that. Top of the mouth right there. Look at that fish right there, everybody. Second fish of the day.
How's it going? Anyway, second fish of the day right there. We are absolutely slaying them. I'm not even around this cove yet. Pretty good. Little largemouth right there. Not a bad fish. I'll take him. Go ahead and toss him back in the water. That was a good fight. I'm gonna keep fishing. Slim Shake is getting it done. I'm not even halfway through the day yet. I knew these fish were gonna be out around structure, kind of shallow branches. They're going to be feeding because today there wasn't any cold weather. This morning wasn't that chilly, so these fish are coming out to feed. The sun's out, that just turns on the bite. So I knew today was going to be good. We've gotten 2 fish already landed. Second one was the biggest one. Not a bad fish. I'll take him all day long. We are not even through the first cove. We still have a bit to fish. I'm going to keep fishing, not talk as much because I'm sure we're going to run into some more fish. I just got thumped. There we go. Third fish of the day. This one's pulling me hard. Oh my gosh. 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 That is a 10-pounder, maybe 6-pounder, maybe. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Don't come off. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Please do not come off. That is a Lake AMISTAD stud. I knew once I hooked into him. Oh my gosh, that is my PB. That is my PB. Let me get the net. Come on, big girl. Come on, big girl. Oh my gosh. AMISTAD stud. AMISTAD stud. Get in the net. Doesn't even fit in the net. I'm gonna bank her. Bank her up. Oh my freaking gosh. It's like a 5-pounder. Maybe bigger. I am freaking out. I am freaking out. That is my PB. That is my freaking PB, people. Would you look at that stud? Let's freaking go! Oh my gosh! Like AMISTAD giant right there. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh my gosh. I am shaking. I am freaking shaking. I can't believe I just caught my PB. Definitely my PB. Oh my gosh, look at that stud right there. Look at that giant. Let me get a weight on this girl. Take some pictures. Literally pulled my whole kayak. I knew as soon as I hooked into her, she pulled my whole kayak. My hand fits in her whole mouth, like my fist. She's biting down on me. She doesn't want to be stringed up. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna lay her down. She wants to go. She wants to go, I know. I need to get a weight on her though. Gonna go ahead and put her on the scale. See what this big girl weighs. 6 pounds, 6 ounces. That's what we are going to mark her at. New PB right there. Oh my gosh, look at that stud. Lake AMISTAD stud right there. You've got to be kidding me. All right, I'm gonna take some pictures with this girl, put her back in the water, set up my tripod, take some pictures, and then go ahead and get the release. All right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and get a release on this big girl. Oh my gosh, that was insane. Pulled my whole kayak. I had to get up on land. I did not want to lose her. She swam off just fine. She was so aggressive. She did not fit in the net. I thought it was a 10-pounder. It looks so big. I mean, my kayak just moved. It just went. I have no words. I knew today was gonna be a good day, but I did not know it was gonna be that good. All right, everybody, that is going to effectively end today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught my PB. It was an insane day. It was pretty crazy that I caught my PB. During these past few months of winter, I have been trying to catch fish and I haven't been able to make it happen, and that just paid off. Today was very interesting. I got a citation from the game warden. I caught fish, caught my PB. Pretty crazy. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Smash the like button. Drop a comment down below how many times you think I said oh my gosh in the video. Pretty funny, but I hope y'all enjoyed it. But with that being said, I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.